ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. I welcome you all to the third episode of Explore Yoga. Last time in episode 2, we have discussed about the light yogic movements of legs. Today we will learn about the light yogic movements of arms. If somebody is having some problem in arms, they should consult some yoga experts before they start these exercises or practices. Before learning the arms movement, let me tell you today about sitting in the base position and Dandasana. First of all, be seated on the yoga mat. Straighten your both the legs, keeping feet slightly apart. Place both the hands before your body. Lean back slightly. Close your eyes gently. This is the resting posture. Similarly, now we will learn about the Dandasana. Join your toes and heels. Place your both the hands side your body, close to your hips, left side and right side, and fingers are pointing forward. Your back, neck and head will be in upright position. Now again sit in base position. Today we are to starting now light yogic arms movements, hand clenching. Join your heels and toes. Sit in Dandasana. Your back, neck and head in a straight line. Bring up your both the arms to the shoulder level. Palms are facing downward. Hand clenching. Open your both the hands. Fingers as wide as possible and stretch. Now bring all the fingers close together. Place your thumb inside, wrapping the fingers around the thumb. Make a tight fist. Make a tight fist. Again open the hands. Stretch the fingers, making them as wide as possible. This is one round, repeat it 10 times. Inhale while opening the hands and exhale while making the fist. Concentrate on breath and stretching the fingers. From the practice of this movement, all joints of fingers become flexible. Return to the starting position and take rest for some time. Wrist bending. Sit in a Dandasana. Bring up both the arms in front of your body to the shoulder level. Palms are facing downwards. Your hands will remain open and fingers straight and together throughout the entire practice. While inhaling, bend your hands upward from wrist so that the fingers will point upward. While exhaling, bend your hands downward from wrist and fingers will point downwards towards the floor. This is one round. Repeat it 5 to 10 times as per your capacity. Keep your elbow straight throughout the practice and to the shoulder level. Concentrate on the breaths, movement of wrists and forearm muscles. Return to the starting position and take rest for few seconds, keeping the feet slightly apart in base position. Now the next movement will be wrist joint rotation. Wrist joint rotation. First of all, come in Dandasana by joining the heels and toes and placing both the hands sides your body close to the hips. Bring up your both the arms in front of your body to the shoulder level. Now make a fist of the both hands, placing the thumbs inside and wrapping the fingers around the thumb. Now rotate both the hands from the wrist clockwise 5 times, and after completing 5 rounds, repeat it anti-clockwise. Both the hands will rotate in the same direction at one time. After completing the rounds, return to the starting position in resting posture. Resting posture. Wrist joints become flexible. This is helpful for curing the arthritis. After taking rest, now we will practice the elbow bending movement. Join your heels and toes, stretch your toes outward and bring your both the arms upward to the shoulder level. Palms are facing upward, fingers are joined together. Your back, neck and head are in one straight line. Bend your both the arms and place the fingers on the shoulders. Again straighten both the hands. This is one round. Repeat it for 10 times. Inhale while straightening the arms. Exhale while bending the arms. Concentrate on breaths, mental counting and elbow joints. Elbow joints becomes flexible in this movement. Arms muscles become stronger. After completing the rounds, return to the prior position and take rest for few seconds so that you may be in position to practice the next yogic movement. The next yogic movement is shoulder rotation. Join your heels and toes. Come in Dandasana. Your back, neck and head will be in upright position, placing both the palms close to the left side and right side of your trunk. Raise your both the arms to the shoulder level. Palms are facing upward. Fingers are joined together. Bend your arms and place the tips of the fingers on the shoulder. Now rotate both the elbows, giving circular movement. Try to touch the elbows while moving forward in front of your chest and touch the ears while moving upward. Stretch the arms back while moving backward and touch the sides of trunk while moving downward. This is one round. Repeat it 5 times and then 5 times from the opposite side. Inhale with upward movement and exhale with downward movement. Do not lean the back. It should be in the straight position in one line. After completing the rounds, return to the resting posture. Concentrate on the mental counting, breaths and rotation of the shoulder joints while doing this movement. This practice relieves tensions of the driving and office work in the shoulder and neck muscles. It is too useful in frozen shoulder and cervical spondylitis. Lungs, ribs, intercostal muscles and heart muscles becomes healthier. Oxygen intake capacity increases. These all light yogic movements can be practiced by sadhakas on regular basis before they start other asanas. In the next episode, we will learn about light neck yogic movements. You all are requested to share this video among other people, especially youngsters, for social welfare. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.